What's up YouTube, it's myself, Liney Damps Plays, and we're back with another video, and we are unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which is one of my first videos I'm going to be doing if I can actually get inside the box. So at the top we got the Samsung logo, and then how do we even get this thing out? Right, okay, I got it. Wow, so we've got the actual tablet that's in its nice fancy sleeve with a Samsung logo on it.
Really?
Okay, yeah, really, seriously.
Literally?
Yeah, literally. And then we got the wall charger, 3-pin one that goes into the wall socket, so you send charges to it like it's done anything wrong. Yeah. And then what's this one? We've got the, why can't I see anything in there? USB Type-C cable, and then we've got the magic pin so you can pierce the tablet and make holes in it. Okay, so you can poke it through the screen. Not really, it's a SIM key and a key to put your SD card in there. I think it's one of the ones that you put your SIM card in it and you use the actual internet from that. What have we got in here? Okay, just protective packaging, really. Oh my god, what the freak. Yeah, so this is another Christmas present for my girlfriend's mum. Yeah, okay, what have we got at the back? Right then, so here are the specs for this bad boy then. 32GB Wi-Fi, 64-bit octa-core processor, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 2 gig of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, 6.1 50 milliamp battery, Dolby Atmos sound effects. Oh, pretty cool. Okay, right, so I just got to get this thing open. Right, okay, so it opens from the side. Yeah, literally never make any sense, you know.
Never do.
Never have done, to be honest. Okay, right, so this is the actual bad boy itself, like the screen size. But by the way, I'm actually recording with a Huawei P30 Lite. Right, as you can see, Samsung Galaxy Tab, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Oh yes! If this thing will manage to take a bit of time to just load up for the first time. Okay. Right, all I can see is just light reflection from it. Well, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing where the fun just literally begins when I'm just not making any sense in my Let's Play videos or whatever. Yeah, so thank you so much for the support, and as you can see, let's go!
Seriously?
Yes! Check out some info and get started. Your data will use accordingly to our privacy policy. And I mean, not sub for sub, because every time I see that I get hungry and I think of Subway. Right, okay, that's done. Where is it going next?
I don't know. I'll come in.
Bring your old data for quick setup. Skip this for now.
I'll get you the code.
Okay. Skip this for now. We'll just wait a sec.
Right out the way.
Okay, sorry. Right, cancel that for now.
There you go.
Right, there we go. We can set that up later on, so I just wanted to just do a quick go through with this one. Guys, really appreciate for the support as well for the channel. 2 years of doing YouTube. Okay. Yeah, we'll skip that, but as long as we don't skip all over the place and we end up with raining tablets, you know. Okay. Right, just want to get to the home screen. all done and dusted. So I've got to get a duster and just go through all this. So only thing I'm missing is a duster, but only thing I've got is my hands. Right, so we've got to finish out that. Okay, let's do this.
I'm going to do it in a minute, Mum.
Right, so we got the home screen here. Wow, really impressive. Yeah, so it's nice and slick, pretty much fast for 2 gigs of RAM. And then, where do we see all the apps? Right, okay, so all the apps are based in here. So it's got Spotify, got the Play Store, camera, gallery. What else can I say about this? Wow. Right, settings, we'll look at the storage space. So we're not going to get exactly to 32 gigabytes because it'll be used by the Android operating system for it to function properly, you know. So it's very responsive, not so bad. But guys, that's my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A done. I'll see you all later. Peace out, dudes. Bye.